हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू दिस चैनल। आई विल थोड़ा
बेटा तुमसे ना हो पाएगा
दोस्तों। सो माय नेम इज बासी गटारा एंड यू आर वाचिंग द बासी गटारा ब्लॉग्स। इन दिस ब्लॉग आई विल शो यू व्हाट यू विल गेट आफ्टर joining. As you can see, this is my apartment where we get this apartment. So let's get started. On the third floor of the apartment, and there are total 3 flats of each of 3 BHK room. Let's explore. This is flat 303, and then this is flat 302, and this is flat 301. And let's explore each of them. Basically, each of them is same for this. Let's get started. First of all, I will remove my shoes because shoes are very dirty. Okay. Now entering. So guys, as you can see, this is our hall. Basically, this is a 3 BHK flat. Before move forward to the video, I will try to on the videos. So basically, lighting is also necessary for this video. This is balcony, as you can see. The fresh air is coming from here, and the view you can enjoy from this. This is a gaon which is surrounded by the mountains with the greenery, and there are so many clouds which are going to fill the water. So this is balcony, and come here. The lighting are also very good, and this is our dining area, kitchen area, where you can cook food also. Okay, and also you can get the balcony. If I open this is also balcony. So basically, the good thing for this flat is everywhere you can get, you see the balconies of every floor. So this is the common bathroom. I think there is no need to show you the bathroom inside there. Okay, come here. So basically, there are 3 rooms. Room with 2 people, room with single people, and there is a room with double people. And these 2 rooms are locked now, and I will explore you my room. Go to inside. And if I on my lights, so this is basically our room you will get after joining the mini orange, and this is a room where 2 peoples are comfortably sit and living together, and this is a separate LED bathroom, and they also need to show this. Okay, now and this is like this. Check okay also. Okay, now so now there are no almaris or no chair any setup, because we came here morning, so there are some time to set up these things. So this is basically a thing, and one thing which I forget to show you this video, there is a Wi-Fi inside this room.
Point or user default go point. हमारे से आ गई दो बराबर ये लाइन से इधर है तो क्या करें भाई मतलब थोड़ी खेल रहे हो भाई लाइन से इधर मेरी है ठीक है अपने ऊपर नहीं करना कब्जा नहीं करना क्या 3 2 उस वाले भारत 3 हो गए ना वन मार्क कितना है ना इस पे पहली बात है इसमें एक पर खाने की हमारे वाले मतलब मैं टिप्पा दे के पहली बार में डायरेक्टली अच्छी है ये मेरा को स्टार्टिंग बोल के और जाती है